Looking for a local manufacturer? Look no further.
Are you wanting to keep your manufacturing here in the U.S.?
Ash Industries is local injection molding based out of Louisiana.
Product manufacturers from around the globe come to Lafayette, Louisiana for injection molding. Why?
If you need a small custom part out of metal, we can metal injection mold it. If you need it out of plastic, well, we can plastic injection mold it. If you need it out of silicone, we can silicone injection mold it. So sometimes you don't just need the run-of-the-mill standard commodity plastics. You need a high-end engineered plastic like Ultem. We can do up to this size and larger. We can do parts like this as well in a multi-cavity mold in our 850-ton press. Or we could do this in a single shot in our 400-ton press. So if you need something out of both metal and plastic, well, Ash Industries has the option to do metal injection molding with a thermoplastic overmolding to combine the best of both worlds. Small, tight geometry, tight tolerances, high quality, Ash Industries is able to build the tooling and do the custom molding for you.